Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create yourself as a Zootopia character on TikTok. So if you want to get this filter on TikTok, then let me show you how to do this. So for this, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor, which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it. Now, once you've downloaded that, go back to your TikTok app. In TikTok, you're searching for Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page. Now stay until the end of this video as that template will appear right here. For now, I'll go ahead and use it for my favorites. So this is the video which we're going to create. Go ahead and tap on Capcut, Besties in Zootopia. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. So this is the template which we're going to use. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now you want to go ahead and take a picture of yourself. Tap Next. Now let Capcut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it some time. And now once the AI effect has been applied, you'll see yourself as a Zootopia character. Now once you're happy, tap Export at the top right, then tap on Export without watermark. This will export the video and take it into TikTok. Now since this is a template, the music has already been added. However, you can go ahead and add music if you like. Tap Next, add your captions, edit your cover, then tap on Post. And now you've created your Zootopia filter trend video on TikTok. So for those of you who are trying to find this filter on TikTok, go ahead and visit this profile page, Test the Simple Dad. Here in the video section, you'll see that filter here, Zootopia, tap on it. And then you just have to tap on Capcut Besties in Zootopia, and then just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions on this video. So there you go, guys. That is how to create the Zootopia trend video on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.